Atiras is the solution for unified management of several makes of PBX. CS1000 and Communication Manager systems from Avaya and Cisco's Unified Communication Manager, or UCM, are all operated from a common user interface. This uses synergies and conserves resources. No need to worry about which make a set is. Just look for the numbers or any other criteria you like. Then make your changes with the help of the wizard. Ever so easy and ever so uncomplicated. The display of operating data, the tool for managing the sets, gives you the greatest possible flexibility. In every area, fields can be switched in and out individually, and their sequence changed. In the search pane, you can carry out complex queries over several fields, including, of course, features of the PBX as well. The general area gives you a quick overview of all the sets found. You switch to the detailed area to have the key configuration displayed or to see all the features of a set. In this area, you can also make changes directly. Freely definable templates with easily understood names are provided for. These help less experienced users and ensure standardization across the entire network. At the end of each change, it is defined whether the modification should take effect immediately or at a later point in time. This enables changes to be planned and implemented in good time. The job history function allows you to see at any time what has been changed to a set, when and by whom. This ensures that changes already made are fully traceable. With Atiras, you achieve unified management for Cisco UCM, together with Avaya CS1000 and Avaya Communication Manager, in a user-friendly environment. Subscribers can be moved from one system to another by drag and drop. Atiras offers optimized support for your migration processes. With Atiras, you also manage voice mailboxes in Unity connection and modular messaging at a single stroke, therefore saving extra steps and time. The integrated telephone number management means that you don't need separate Excel lists. Numbers can be locked out or reserved for special purposes. Do you, for example, want to ensure that a number may not be used for a certain period of time after an employee leaves? Nothing could be easier. Simply define the locking period per PBX. You can see at any time when the number was last used and when that number may be used again. Do you want to retain regional sovereignty and make decentralized administration possible, even though the data are stored centrally at the PBX? A centralized system administration with a regionalized form of organization is not a contradiction. Atiras' unique site concept has the data arranged centrally, but logically partitioned, with regional views that can be accessed specifically by the user groups at the location concerned. This way you can enable regional administrators only to view and manage those sets at their own location, even though the data are stored at a central PBX. Multi-tenancy can be so simple. The use of templates can also be restricted per site and user group. You therefore control at all times who is authorized to change which attributes for which site. A web client is of course available for move, add and change functions. It supports the multi-tenancy site concept completely. Should you need to use system data outside Atiras, the dynamic report function is at your service. Place the desired fields in the first 5 positions, then search for your sets and print out a report or create a PDF file. Alternatively, the data can also be exported, either once only, based on the results of the search, or periodically and automatically.